Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Notion for your YouTube videos planning. And this is super cool. So if you have a Notion account, you can just simply sign in. If you don't, just simply head over to Notion. And of course, if you have a Google account, you can simply sign in with your Google account. If you don't know how to set up your Notion account, check out the playlist on this channel and you will find a ton of videos showing you how to use Notion, including how to create an account on Notion. Now, once you're in, all you need to do is create a new page, right? And you just need to click on the upper left hand side where you have your workspace. You'll have the create a new page button here. Just create a new page and it's going to look just like this. No, you don't have to go ahead and create your own template or your own design within Notion. There are templates in Notion that you can just plug in, add, and use right away with just few clicks of a button. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So once you're on your new page, look towards the lower right and you will see an option called templates. Click on that. Now, all you have to do is use a search on the upper right hand side. Of course, you can scroll down and explore what's there. But if you want to find the YouTube planner, all you have to do is just simply type in YouTube and it enter there and you'll find it. And as you can see, you have a ton of different YouTube results. And for example, this one is also free, is a simply YouTube video planner. And you can use this. You also have YouTube video script creator. You also have a ton of different other planners or dashboard or templates that you can actually use, right? Look at this one here, live and YouTube vlog planner. You could also use that as well. YouTube idea generator, you can use that as well. But let's stick to this one. So let's say you want to create your YouTube videos and you need a YouTube video planner. Let's take the free one here. We click on this and you can preview it if you want to, or you can just simply go ahead and click and add, and it's going to add that YouTube video planner for you. Just give it a few seconds and you will see that it says ready to view, or you'll find it on the upper left hand side here. You'll find the YouTube video planner. You can click on that and you'll be able to see it and have a look at that. And you can also tweak it and change it. You can change up the banner here, the image, whatever it is. You can make it look really nice, something of your choice. You can change the name. You can call it your name. So let's say I don't want it to say YouTube video planner. I can just say, for example, Drew tutorial. So I'm going to go ahead and change that, Drew tutorial. And let's say that's what I want to call it, Drew tutorial video planner. And I can change everything here that I have. See, you can make it work just like how you'd have your Trello board. You can make it really super cool and, basically tweak it to your liking. You can add different sections, but this is just a base and you can just take it from there and customize it as much as possible. Or you can even create a new page, import another template, and find something there that you like and you can copy it as well. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple how you can use Notion for your YouTube video planning.